We be working, yeah. We be working, yeah, yeah. We be whipping, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. Whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping, I don't even eat. I be in the kitchen whipping, I don't even sleep. I be in the kitchen whipping, I don't even bathe. Feel like I just grind away, what's the time of day? Yeah, plus my kids gotta eat. And I'm feeling like the desert got a lot of heat. I've been at this thing here for too long. I've been in the kitchen, this a new song. Whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. Whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. We be working every day like this a mad race. We be on our grind like some bad breaks. I be writing every day until my hand aches. Then go and make it flip like some pancakes. Yeah, they say get up on your grind though, yeah. So I'm all up on my grind mode, yeah. Grind or die, that's what I'm told, yeah. Feel like I could do this blindfold. Whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. Whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, whip like Bobby Flay. Hey, in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I be in the kitchen whipping on my Bobby Flay. I'm obsessed with the work, grind through the best and the worst. I guess you could say that I'm blessed with a curse. It's affecting my life, yo, making my time go. Got time for the grind, not for my kids and my wife. Something wrong with that picture like Picasso, yeah. That just be that boo like Chicago, yeah.